Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be bringing you this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to get free skin cases in Roblox Rivals. This uses a working Rivals code that you can redeem right now, and it is going to supply you with 20 skin case 3s. So this is going to get you 20 level 3 skin cases. And guys, this code is working in 2026 and literally takes just a few minutes. This is by far the easiest and fastest method to get skin cases in Rivals. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that share link to share this with your friends. And let's get into the video. So as you can see guys, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. You probably play Rivals on your PC, but just use your mobile to grab this Roblox Rivals code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on wherever you play. So go to this website on your mobile phone internet browser, www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type that in just like this. Make sure you type it correctly. You can pause the video and copy the address if you need to. But Cold Coupons, if you haven't seen them before, is basically a game code website. They don't only have Roblox games or Rivals, they have hundreds of different pages, guys. So there is a search bar at the top of the screen, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that and type in Rivals. You're looking for the Rivals Roblox codes page here, guys. Now there are a few verified working codes, and as you can see, hundreds of people have used it today alone. So go ahead and scroll down until you find the 20 times skin case 3 code. So this is going to get you free level 3 skin cases. And this is the fastest method, guys, to get skin cases for free in Rivals Roblox. Trust me, guys, I spent a long time searching and trying methods, and this is the only one that actually worked. So as you can see, you need to unlock your Rivals Roblox code. The reason you need to do this, guys, is because obviously this is quite a lot of money if you was to purchase these with Robux. So it does limit one of these codes per person, and these are limited codes. So yeah, to unlock your code, you need to click on this blue button, and you're going to see this page that says at the top, Code Unlocker. And that is pretty much what this is. This is going to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, to do that, you need to complete 2 of the free tasks. Now, these tasks are easy peasy, lemon squeezy, guys. These are simple things like installing and opening mobile applications. They take a few minutes each. They're all completely free. And I'm just going to show you a quick example just to show you how easy it is. This one at the bottom says download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So if you was to choose one like that, you would tap on it and it will take you to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you just download that app and then you have to run it. So that one would be complete. So just select any 2 of them. It is very, very important that you do read the text below each of the applications, because that tells you what to do to complete it. And if you do that correctly, your code will be fully revealed. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but once you get your code, you redeem it in Roblox Rivals, and that is going to get you skin case 3. So that is going to get you 20 of them, guys. So that is how to get free skin cases in Roblox Rivals using a working code. Head on over to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the Rivals Roblox codes page, and scroll down and select the skin case 3 code. That is going to give you 20 of them. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.